Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into a topic that's become essential for busy households and tech lovers alike. The top 5 robotic vacuum cleaners of 2025. Whether you're looking to upgrade your current bot or you're finally ready to make the leap into hands-free cleaning, I've got you covered. Let's jump right into it. Number 5. Roborock S9 MaxV Ultra. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Roborock S9 MaxV Ultra. Roborock has been a trusted name for a while now, and the S9 MaxV Ultra pushes their reputation even further. This model boasts reactive AI 3.0, meaning it can recognize more objects than ever before, from shoes to pet waste. What really sets it apart is its upgraded self-emptying and self-washing base station. Yes, it not only empties the dustbin, it also washes its own mop pads and refills its water tank automatically. Battery life? Around 220 minutes, making it ideal for large homes. However, at nearly $1,600, it's definitely an investment. But for those who value complete automation, the S9 MaxV Ultra is hard to beat. Number 4. iRobot Roomba Combo J9 Plus. Coming in at number 4 is a familiar face, iRobot's Roomba Combo J9 Plus. The Roomba Combo J9 Plus features iRobot OS 8.0, learning your cleaning habits and adjusting schedules automatically. The coolest feature? The mop lifts completely out of the way when it detects carpet, so you don't have to worry about soggy rugs. Plus, the redesigned clean base looks sleek, like a piece of furniture instead of a bulky docking station. Its price hovers around $1,400. And while that's premium, the performance and convenience are definitely next level. Number 3. Dreambot L20 Ultra. At number 3, we have a real up-and-comer, the Dreambot L20 Ultra. If you haven't heard of Dream yet, 2025 is the year to get familiar. The L20 Ultra features a dual rotating mop system that scrubs floors with more pressure than most competitors. It also uses advanced AI mapping to build an incredibly accurate layout of your home, even recognizing furniture and high traffic zones. What's really innovative is the auto-lift mop that raises the mop pads when transitioning onto carpet, but it can also automatically detach the mops if needed, allowing pure vacuuming on rugs. Plus, its base station cleans the mop pads with hot water for extra sanitation. Number 2. Echovac's Dreambot X5 Omni. The X5 Omni features True Mapping 3.0, meaning it scans your home with military-grade precision, even under furniture and in low-light areas. It combines hypersuction power with adaptive mopping technology that scrubs in an oscillating motion instead of just dragging a wet cloth around. Its all-in-one Omni station is a game changer. It empties dust, washes the mop, refills water, and even hot air dries the mop pads to prevent mildew. Number 1. Samsung JetBot AI Plus 2.0. The JetBot AI Plus 2.0 features LiDAR and 3D sensors, so it not only maps your home, it actually identifies and classifies objects. Pet toys, wires, socks, it knows what's what. And of course, it's fully integrated into the Samsung SmartThings ecosystem. Whether you want full automation, better mopping, pet-friendly features, or next-gen AI smarts, there's definitely a model here for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and let me know in the comments. Which one would you want cleaning your floors? Until next time, happy cleaning!